It's here. Black Girl Vitamins. Okay, so first up, we're going to be trying the PCOS Relief Dietary Supplement. Contains inositol and vitamins B12. Raspberry flavored. It's for irregular cycles, excessive bloating, and excessive hair growth. And I don't think I don't deal with any of those right now since I lost 60 pounds. But it can never be detrimental, you know what I mean? I'm gonna look it up. But it's my favorite color. I'm gonna do 2. Definitely tastes like medicine. And they're cute. In little shape of hearts. Super cute. Okay. B12 is always the most. This is the vitamin D3. Because, you know, the winter is coming. And I have less sunshine. So, gotta supplement so that we don't have SAD. Seasonal anxiety and depression. Seasonal. Just know we be sad in the wintertime because there ain't no sunshine. Period. Okay. So you gotta take 2 of these. And these are regular shaped, like a mound. What flavor is that? Okay, mixed berry.